Little kitty woke at dawn with a stretch of purr, a tiny yawn. Her whiskers twitched with bubbly cheer. For a big adventure I must go near. She slipped outside through the open door, a world so wide she'd not seen before. The sky was painted pink and gold, and Kitty stepped out brave and bold. Down the path she softly trod, her paws like petals on fresh green sod. A butterfly fluttered in gentle flight, and Kitty chased it with pure delight. Through the meadow tall and bright, she ran beneath the morning light. Birds above began to sing as Kitty danced in a playful ring. Then she reached a babbling stream, sparkling like a waking dream. She dipped her paw in cool clear blue. Oh, the world has so much to do. Across the log she carefully walked as forest squirrels around her talked. They chattered stories of secret trails, of hidden caves and leafy vales. Kitty followed the winding sound until a clearing she suddenly found. There stood a tree, both old and wise, its branches stretching to the skies. At the base were mushrooms red and white, glowing softly in the light. A friendly rabbit hopped her way. Hello, young kitty, out to play. Kitty nodded with sweet delight. Yes, I'm adventuring from morning to night. The rabbit smiled and hopped ahead. Follow me on the path I tread. They wandered past the forest's heart, where streams and flowers formed living art. Kitty saw a waterfall shine, cascading like a silver vine. It roared with might, yet glowed with peace, as birds fluttered in gentle release. Kitty gasped with shining eyes, this is the greatest of all surprise. She dipped her paw, she splashed around, her laughter soft, the sweetest sound. The rabbit giggled, joining too, under skies of endless blue. But then the sun began to sink, painting clouds in shades of pink. Kitty knew it was time to go back to the home she loved so. She hugged her rabbit friend goodbye with tiny paw and twinkling eye. I'll come again, she promised fair, to see the wonders hidden there. Heading home through twilight's glow, her steps were gentle, soft and slow. Inside her heart a memory curled, she had explored a giant blue. Back in bed she snuggled tight, dreaming sweetly through the night. For little Kitty understood one thing would wrench her lives and everything. Little kitty woke at dawn with a stretch of purr, a tiny yawn. Her whiskers twitched with bubbly cheer. For a big adventure I must go near. She slipped outside through the open door, a world so wide she'd not seen before. The sky